Welcome guys, and in this video I'll show you how to make origami iris flower. This is the model. This is a very nice model. It looks chocolatey. This is origami iris flower. So if you don't want to miss any steps, so make sure to watch step by step till the end, so you know how to make our iris flower. Okay. So to make an origami iris flower, the blank side should be up. And you will take this point and align it till there. Open it up, turn it over, rotate it, squeeze. After you complete this step, the next step is to open it up, turn it over, and take this line, align it till there. Crease it, open it up, and crease it from here. After you complete this step, the next step is to do the reverse fold for all of these. And now you will start to make origami crane base. After you have completed this is our origami crane base. And after you complete this step, the next step is to take this line and align it in the middle. And you have to do this with all 4 flaps. First one, second one, third, fourth. Open the pocket. And make sure that the middle line, align up in the middle line. Align up in the middle line. Close it. Open this pocket. Like this. So as you can see, all of the 4 sides have been folded. The next step is that you will take one side, you will take this line and line up in the middle, and you will take this line and line up in the middle. After you complete this step, now you have to open the pocket like this. You have to open the pocket, and what you need to do, you will fold from here. You will tuck this inside until you form a point that is with the middle line. Okay, like this, and you will do it with all of 4 sides. Like this, align up in the middle, open the pocket, align the flap in the middle, do follow the same step over here. Crease it in the middle, like this. Crease it, and you will also do the same step on the last one. Crease it from here. Open the pocket and align with the middle line. Like this, and close it. Now what you need to do, you will fold this on the right side and also here. As you can see that here are four sides, and also here are 4 flaps. After you complete this side, this step, now you will take this line, align up in the middle, like this, and you will do also from here, and you will do these with all the sides, all the 4 sides. Also from here, turn it over, also from this side and this side. And your paper will look like this. After you complete this step, the next step is that you will open all the 4 sides like this. You will open like this. Open all of its petals. What you will do, you will take the pencil and you will start to fold it. You will hold it. Hold. Also do it from here. Do it from here. Like this. And your origami iris flower is done. And if you like my tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope you enjoyed it, so thanks for watching.